Welcome back, fellow web creators and entrepreneurs. In this tutorial, I'm going to cover how to zoom in Adobe Premiere. To kick things off, select the clip you wish to zoom. Then navigate to Effect Controls and click the small arrow next to Motion. Next, make sure your time marker is at the start of your clip. Now click the stopwatch icon next to Position and Scale. This will insert a starting keyframe for both properties. Drag the blue time marker to the end of the clip in Effect Controls. Then, watching your preview panel, click, hold and drag the position and scale values to your desired result. Your keyframes will be created automatically as you adjust the values. For quick results, you can also manipulate the video itself from the preview window. First, remember to set your keyframes at the start. Navigate to the end of the clip. Now double-click on the video preview and this will reveal control handles. Then simply click, hold and drag the edges of the video canvas to your desired zoom. That looks alright, but to speed up your zoom, just drag your last keyframes closer to the start of your timeline as shown. Here's a pro tip. Move your time marker back to the start of your timeline. Now over in the preview window, if you drag the anchor point and hold down Control as you drag, it'll snap to any handle your mouse comes close to, and now the anchor point for scaling your footage will be offset. Finally, move your time marker back to where you want your zoom to finish. Adjust your video's position and zoom by clicking, holding and dragging it from anywhere on the video canvas. And now you're proficient at zooming in Premiere. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.